Am I the only one that didn't know Teslas have camera issues? Turns out it's a thing. The Tesla Model 3 is a tech marvel, but sometimes that front camera can act up. Here are some common reasons why and how to fix them. First, check for any obstructions. Dirt, snow, or even a sticker can block the camera's view. Simply cleaning it might do the trick. Next, let's talk about software. Your Tesla's software updates can sometimes cause glitches. A quick reboot might solve the issue. Just hold the scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black. If that doesn't work, make sure your Tesla app is up to date. Sometimes, old versions can mess with the camera functions. Lastly, consider the hardware. If there's physical damage or a more serious issue, it's best to contact Tesla support. They can diagnose and fix the problem, ensuring your camera gets back to working perfectly. So, next time your Tesla Model 3 front camera stops working, remember? Check for obstructions, do a reboot, update the app, and if needed, call in the experts. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and stay tech savvy.